Bollywood hotties celebrate World Cup win. Farhan Akhtar also grins in delight, all set for the party that the streets of Mumbai had become after India's win at the Wankhede Stadium. Saif Ali Khan and girlfriend Kareena Kapoor also move out and celebrate with the city on this epic night. What we wonder is, doesn't Saif have enough space in the car? What's with all the cozying up? Karisma Kapoor shares car space with Shah Rukh Khan while out celebrating the historic Indian World Cup win. Malaika's younger sister Amrita with her hubby Shakil Ladakh also sit in the car and get ready to party on the Mumbai streets. Malaika Arora Khan gets ready to go out and celebrate the victory on the streets with younger sis Amrita. Arjun Rampal takes to the streets to celebrate wrapped in the national flag. Newlyweds Imran Khan and Avantika share a cozy moment amidst the World Cup win hullabaloo. Super cutie Imran Khan drives and takes a look around while newlywed wife Avantika stands and woohoos with rest of the friends. Hrithik Roshan looks at the Mumbai streets in awe as Gauri Khan gets excited in the back seat. Shah Rukh Khan's wife, the ever-gorgeous Gauri Khan, was seen sitting behind Hrithik Roshan's car along with Hrithik's wife, Suzanne Roshan. The smile says how amused and happy these star wives felt on the historic day. Badshah Khan along with several other Bollywood biggies went out on the streets to celebrate the historic night. He waved the national flag with a fervour that would be unmatched when compared to his real performances. On April 2, 2011, India won the Cricket World Cup for the second time after 28 years. The Indians took to the streets in celebration. What was amazing was that the Bollywood stars also kept no stone unturned to show their spirit. We bring you some hotties celebrating the great night. Shah Rukh Khan gives $1 million smile after Team India's epic win against the Sri Lankans in the World Cup finals.